So hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back again to the channel, Eau de Parfum, the place to be. So for today's video it is gonna be an unboxing and a review of a fragrance from the company ZARA. This one right here, it is called Cotton Kiss. This is from the Improbable series. I already did a review for another fragrance from the same series, which is this one right here, Sense of Glam. If you didn't watch that video, I'm definitely leaving a link to that video right below this video in the description box if you guys want to check it out, and also check out that giveaway that I did with this video. If you want to participate in the giveaway, I'm offering two full bottles of 3 ml size. I mean, you have to watch the video so you can see about the instructions for the giveaway. Anyways, let's go back to our topic, the unboxing and the review for this fragrance right here, Cotton Kiss. So without further ado, let's open this unusual pack. It is really so very glued in the back. We're gonna manage to open it, and we have the bottle right here. Pretty cute little bottle right over here. It also says Cotton Kiss on the face of the bottle. Very beautiful matte pink color, pretty much the same size as Sense of Glam, and pretty much the same presentation. It also has that instructions and warnings piece of paper inside. We're gonna put it back on. And by the way, the price for these are as I showed you from before with the Sense of Glam, the price is pretty much the same, 7.95 or €7.95, equivalent to like 8.5 or $9. So Cotton Kiss, I already tried it at the store. I tried it as well, just like Sense of Glam and other fragrances, but Cotton Kiss and Sense of Glam, I tried them like twice. The first time that I went there and I found them, then the second time when I wanted to decide if I'm gonna buy it or not. So ZARA Cotton Kiss was launched in 2019, just like the other fragrances, Sense of Glam and the other ones from this Improbable series. And it is also an eau de toilette. If you guys want to know about the olfactive pyramid, for the notes, the top note we have pear, the middle note we have ambrette, which is like some sort of musk, and also in the base note we have iris. So as you can tell, really not much going on when it comes to the note breakdown. And yeah, for the main accords for the fragrance, I would say floral, powdery, musky, fruity and woody, but I believe mainly musky. This fragrance, I mean, with the iris, it gives you that musky vibe straight away from the very start. Let me spray a little bit for the video so you guys can see. The cap is pretty simple, nothing, the same exact type of bottles like Sense of Glam. Okay, let's spray a little bit. Okay, I think I sprayed 2 sprays. Very feminine from the very start, feminine with a delicate touch, and as I said earlier, the muskiness is really showing up from the start with that floral rose note, and it is really very pleasant, beautiful, lovely. And it is not really as strong or as powerful from the start like Sense of Glam. Sense of Glam is a little bit more sharper in the start, but this one is more like delicate, smooth, and a little bit soft. And yeah, also for the performance, really not a match to Sense of Glam. But I would say something for the performance, I would say something between moderate and weak. I don't want to say weak, but something like that. The longevity, I would say 2 hours to 3 hours. Projection for like 20 minutes, 30 minutes. And yeah, I think you will definitely have to reapply, respray. And as I said, as I mentioned before, These 30 ml size bottles are they are like if you want to carry them with you, they are really easy to take with you, put it in a bag, or put it it is very easy to carry, especially you can refill these bottles from the main bottle, because there is a 120 ml size bottle, and there is these for 30 ml. So if you have the bigger bottle, when this is empty, you can refill this one from the main bottle, and that way you can really transport this fragrance wherever you want to go. And also for cotton case, the main reason really why I bought it, because, well, I liked it, and also because it reminded me of a few fragrances. I would say mainly it reminded me of Infusion d'Iris, or Infusion d'Iris by Prada. And also a fragrance from Victoria's Secret that I keep forgetting the name of. If I ever remember it, I will leave the name on the description box. But also it does remind me of another fragrance for the ladies from the house Narciso Rodriguez. I believe Narciso Rodriguez for her, the pink one. It does have some slight resemblance, especially after that 10-15 minutes mark, even though the iris in this fragrance is really pretty much very dominant and not too strong. Don't hear, I mean, when I say dominant, don't think that it is strong in this fragrance, but it is the main note that you can really smell on this one right after that 10-15 minutes mark. At the beginning it is musky, powdery, floral, with a slight presence of the iris. It's like the iris starts growing a little bit with the time. The more you wear it, the more you go with this fragrance, the more you start sensing that iris note. So, do I recommend this fragrance, Cotton Case by ZARA? I would say yes, but not really as much as Sense of Glam. I highly recommend Sense of Glam. Why? Simply because Sense of Glam has a better performance, and also because it is a solid clone to Frédéric Malle's Lipstick Rose, while Cotton Kiss has a really, I would say, moderate performance. And it's not really, I mean, it reminds you of many fragrances, especially Infusion d'Iris by Prada, but I would not really consider it as a clone to that fragrance. But it is still a charming, sweet fragrance. It is lovely. It is not like something mind-blowing. I mean, the price says it all. But yeah, speaking of the price, it is cheap, affordable. I mean, try it, see for yourself. If you like it, go for it. And yeah, you can get the 120 ml bottle and refill the smaller bottle whenever you want, if you want to carry it with you wherever you go. And also, yes, for the age range, to be honest with you, in my opinion, I believe this is more for a younger crowd. I do not see a woman like 36 years old and up wearing this fragrance. I think more to a younger crowd, more for like teenagers. I would say between 15 years old to like 30 or 34. And yeah, charming fragrance. You can wear it any time of the day, during the night, and pretty much any season. So guys, ladies and gentlemen, I think this is it for our video. If you enjoyed this review, please give us a like for the video, and see you soon. Take care.